Right, so 我们今天要讲关于到是我们的 implicit differentiation. So as again, you need to understand a lot about chain rule and product rule. So basically, implicit 的differentiation 就是讲这 for example, usually 我们是讲 derive a respect to x，或者是 respect to 我们熟悉的 number。But in this case，它直接就是 implicit 是讲着 you are differentiating according to something that's not respect to the letter. For example，我们这里的 equation 它讲是 p equals to y square。OK， so usually 我们会有做的东西是 dp over dy，这样子的话我们可以写成 2y 吗？That makes sense. But 如果它是 respect to x 的话，那我们这里就不一样了。So let's have a look on the right side. Okay, so using 我们的那个 chain rule function，因为我们要找的是 dp over dx，but this thing is according to y. So that means we have to use chain rule. OK， 也就是 dp 和 dx 两个分开。OK， 我们就要讲 dy and dy here. Now, in this case, all we have to find is literally this part, dp over dy, which we know from here just now, 我们的 dp over dy is equals to 我们的 2y. 所以我们的 final answer, it's always leaving with 2y times 我们的 dy dx. That's our final answer. In short, 我们最后的时候一定会出现一个 differentiation in our differentiation. That's what we call implicit functions, or the implicit differentiation. Okay, let's do some quick questions. For examples, differentiate the following in respect to x. So in this case, 我们要 differentiate it respect to x 嘛 So you can see 我们这里是 dy，这里是 y cube. Okay, usually, okay, 我们会做的东西就是什么？我们会做的东西就是直接讲that becomes 我们的 3y square without looking at respect to what. But the thing is, we are doing respecting to x while the question is giving y. So in this case, use the chain rule. Okay, so 我们是 我们的 differentiation is going to be这里是 dx, OK， 然后这里是 dy times 我们的 dy, like that. So hence 我们这一个部分 OK, it will be that 我们这是原本的 differentiation， 原本当做它是普通的 differentiation, which equals to y 3y square times 我们的 dy dx. That's the final answer. 那这个时候你就会讲，诶，那这样子我只是做，我看到那个时候我只是去做它的 differentiation，再加多一个 dy dx 就可以了咯。Yes, that's basically it. Okay, but you have to be careful，因为我们有时候在 product rule 或者是 quotient rule 或者是其他的都会遇到它。For example， 这一种 ，OK， 你要 treat it as product rule, where we will use it as u equals to 4x squared and v equals to 我们的 y to the power of 5. So in this case, u differentiation, this one is more respect to x 嘛 so it's actually quite straightforward, which is 8x. But 如果是我们的这一个 v dash 呢，就变成麻烦一点点了。So in this case, we differentiate normally like we should, okay, but you have to add dy dx. Okay, crossing. So 我们最后的 answer, it would be y to the power of 5, 8x plus 我们的 4x squared times 我们的 5, which is 20 here, and you got 4 y to the power of 4 dy over dx. Done. End of story. Now, question C. Okay, so 这里的话 differentiate normally 我们这里应该会得到 x squared, but there is a product rule here. So 5x, that's u. Okay, our y is equals to, v equals to our y. Differentiate normally, so it will be 5 here. Differentiate here, it will be dy dx. 因为 y, the normal differentiation is 1. 1 times dy dx, that is remaining as dy dx. So hence 我们这里的 final answer, crossing out, 5y plus 我们的 5x dy dx. So again, in a way, implicit functions or implicit differentiations does not need, okay, you to think too much. Okay, but you do need to understand how it works. Right, let's move on. Sometimes 我们会可能要 find what is dy dx given a curve. For example, this question. So 我们这里 differentiate everything. So it becomes 3x squared plus what we would usually differentiate, which is 3y squared, but you gotta add a dy dx because there's a y. Now, equals to 4x 这里我们就是要 split into product rule. U equals to 4x, v equals to y. So it becomes u dash equals to 4, v dash equals to dy dx. Cross cross, so that becomes 4x dy over dx, and then plus 我们的 4y. Now, it's asking us to find dy dx, isn't it? So that means 我们要 factorize 我们的 dy dx. So let's get it around. 我们会得到这个，然后我们 factorize 我们的 dy dx, which is the same as 4y minus 3x squared. So our final answer, dy dx, is just the same as 4y minus 3x squared over 3y squared minus 4x. Now, after finding it, we have to say what is the gradient, which is dy dx, at the point of 2, 2. So dy dx when x equals to 2, y equals to 2. That is equivalent to 8 minus 我们的 12 over 12 minus 我们的 8, which is the same as -1. Right. Now, the last question. The equation of a curve, 我们有这一个, so we have to find the two stationary points. We know from here it's going to be dy dx. Alright. So here it will be 我们的 6x, and you got a plus 我们的这里是我们的 product rule, which is 2x equals to u, u dash equals to 2, v equals to y, v dash equals to dy dx. So it becomes 我们的 2y plus dy dx 2x plus 我们的 normally 我们会 differentiate 的东西加多一个 dy dx, which is equals to 0. Factorize it. Oh, in fact, oh yeah, we have to factorize it. We cannot do anything. Okay, so it becomes 2x plus 2y equals to -6 minus 2y dy over dx. That's the same as -6 -2y over 2x plus 2y. 这个是我们的 differentiation. Now we have to solve it. Alright. So, I mean, what we can do is simplify this one. Right, so that is when our x equals dy dx equals 0. Multiply x plus y, everything by x plus y, so that leaves out with 我们的 -3x minus y equals 0, which means y equals to -3x. Now we have to substitute 我们的 original equation into it, into 就是我们这个是 y 的 point, okay? But we have to substitute in order to find the two stationary point, 也就是我们的 x1, y1, x2, y2. So in this case, 3x squared plus 2x times -3x plus -3x squared equals to 6. Alright, so 这里的话 3x squared minus 6x squared plus 9x squared equals to 6. So hence 12x squared minus 6x squared equals to 6, x squared equals to 1. 因为我们这里是 6x squared equals to 6, so I divide 6 on both sides, so x equals to plus and minus 1. So when x equals to plus and minus 1, so when x equals to 1, y equals to -3, and when x equals to -1, y equals to a 3. 所以也就是我们的 1, -3, -1, 3. Finished. Alright, so again, make sure 它只是它那个 question 就是讲它会 include 在其他的部分. So make sure you have to be careful with this kind of things. All right, that's the end of implicit functions.